Kids, today we learn multiply. Okay, kids? Okay, let's start. Okay, kids, I'm question read. Solve sums of multiply. Kids, what is multiply? Meaning of multiply, repeated addition and table. Okay, kids? Okay, you understand multiply means? Okay, let's start writing. Kids, 3 3 ja. Guess. Yes, my smart kids. 9. Okay, kids. Okay, and write 9. Okay, this is done. Then, kids, 5 7 ja. Guess. Yes, my smart kids. 35. Okay, kids. Okay, and write 35. This is done. Then, kids, 7 9 ja. Guess. Yes, it is a right answer, my smart kids. 63. Okay, kids. Okay, and write 63. This is done. Then, kids, 5 5 ja. Guess. Yes, my smart kids. 25. Okay, kids. Okay, and write 25. This is done. Then, kids, 7 7 ja. Guess. Yes, my smart kids. 49. Okay, kids. Okay, I write 49. This is done. Then, kids, 5 8 ja. Guess. Yes, my smart kids. 40. Okay, kids. Okay, and write 40. Okay, kids. Kids, you understand this multiply? Yes. And comment you understand. Okay, kids. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Like, subscribe this video, share and comment your understand. And take care. Bye.